as directed by His Excellency the President, that I constitute and with consultation with the co-chair, the task force, we reached out to the stakeholders who would constitute the sugar industry task force, and we have appointed the following members. I will co-chair with my brother Opalanya. Members will be Zachary Okoth Obando, representing the COG, Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, also representing COG, Mrs. Omondi, representing Privatization Commission, Bernard Otieno, representing the Public News. We have Patel Gopal, representing Private Mirrors. We have Ken Gubao, representing Private Mirrors. Caroline, representing Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee. Patrick Omtia, representing Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council. Mr. Zakayo Malaga, representing the Ministry of Agriculture. Solomon Odera, Agriculture and Food Authority. Solomon Kitungu, representing the National Treasury. Honorable Emmanuel Wangwe, representing the National Assembly. Mr. Francis Waswa, representing the Kenya National Sugarcane Federation. And Mrs. Lamenya, representing the Attorney General. We have also received the name from the Senate, and also will be part of the task force. In support of the activities of the task force, the Secretariat shall comprise of officers from the Ministry of Agriculture, Agriculture and Food Authority, Lake Region Economic Bloc, and the Council of Governors. The terms of reference of the task force are to A, review the policy, legal, regulatory, and institutional framework of the sugar industry and make appropriate recommendations. Review past, present, and emerging challenges facing the sugar industry. And all these, I will read them. I don't have to repeat appropriate recommendations. Review the sugar industry value chain, including research,